Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your dining experience, especially if you're a fan of communal meals and diverse flavors. We're talking about the CAROTE Hot Pot with Divider, a 4.5-quart, double-flavor divided stockpot. Now, the concept of a divided hot pot isn't entirely new, but CAROTE has put its own spin on it, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the material. CAROTE highlights an eco-friendly classic granite, non-stick material, which they state is PFOS and PFOA free. This is a significant plus for anyone concerned about harmful chemicals in their kitchenware. The idea is that your daily cooking will be safer and healthier, and that's always a priority for us here. The build quality feels pretty solid for its price point. It has a substantial weight to it, suggesting it won't feel flimsy on your stovetop. The divider is well integrated, creating two distinct cooking zones. This is where the magic of a double flavor pot comes into play. You can have a spicy broth in one side and a mild, clear broth in the other, catering to different palates at the same table. Or, you could even have a soup in one and a simmering sauce in the other. The possibilities are quite extensive. One of the standout features, according to CAROTE, is how easy it is to clean. They suggest a simple wipe with a paper towel or a rinse with water, which they link to less CO2 emission and less water wasted. In our testing, the non-stick surface performed admirably. Food residue, even from more stubborn ingredients like seared meats, released with minimal effort. This is a huge time saver and makes post-meal cleanup far less of a chore. Compatibility with various cooktops is another crucial aspect, and this CAROTE hot pot checks that box. It's suitable for all stoves, including induction cooktops, thanks to its high magnetic conductive stainless steel base. We tested it on both gas and induction, and it performed consistently, heating up quickly and evenly. The extended bottom design seems to help with this even heat distribution, preventing hot spots which can be a real nuisance when you're trying to simmer delicate ingredients. The claim of needing less oil and releasing less smoke is also something we put to the test. The non-stick surface truly shines here. Whether you're making eggs, omelets, or searing small pieces of meat for your hot pot, you can get away with using significantly less oil. This translates to healthier meals with reduced fat intake, and importantly, a cleaner, less smoky kitchen environment. We definitely noticed a reduction in cooking fumes compared to traditional pans. The inclusion of a glass lid is also a practical touch. It allows you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, which helps maintain the temperature inside the pot. The lid fits snugly, contributing to efficient cooking. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the double flavor divider is excellent for diverse dining preferences. The non-stick granite coating is effective and, importantly, PFOA and PFOS free, offering peace of mind. Its versatility across different stovetops is a major advantage. The ease of cleaning is a significant convenience, saving both time and resources. The need for less oil promotes healthier cooking, and the reduction in smoke is a welcome benefit for any kitchen. The 12-month warranty also provides a good layer of assurance. However, there are a few points to consider. While the 4.5-quart capacity is adequate for small to medium-sized gatherings, it might be a bit small for larger families or parties. The handles, while functional, could benefit from a bit more ergonomic design for a more comfortable grip, especially when the pot is full and heavy. And while the non-stick coating is good, as with all non-stick surfaces, it's important to use non-metal utensils to ensure its longevity. Overall, the CAROTE hot pot with divider is a well-designed and functional piece of cookware. It excels at its primary purpose of enabling dual-flavor hot pot cooking, while also offering a healthy and easy-to-use option for everyday cooking. It's a great addition to any kitchen looking for versatility and convenience. Link in the description.